there's another prophecy of what is going to happen in Zimbabwe. And it is kind of like confirming like the other prophecies that I did with Apostle Chwenga versus Prophet Ian Ndlovu. And this one is saying kuti pane mashakings, pane kakusheka kachaitika, pane zvinhu zvichaitika pakatapa. And the issue is, it seems like Prophet Melontic, or us, you know him from prophesying about celebrities and all of that. Probably people can call him the Facebook prophet, because that's where he does most of his prophecies and other prophecies of popular celebrities in Zimbabwe, even the death of AKA. Recently, Arambo prophet about DJ Tira. I see a tragedy following him, but if he does ABCD. So now he has come up with a prophecy, and I want us to watch this video where he's talking about this prophecy. Kuti pane zvichaitika, and you tell me what you think about it, because it's also as the information bearers tinongokupai hanzi nababashero chidi ubvonga chete, kana tabvonga togadzika, vanodya vodya, kushata kana nhapi tapi muchadudzira imimi sevatereri. So tell me what you think about this prophecy, and I will see you on the next one.
Right, good morning. This is Dr. Prophet Nelonde Boras. I greet you in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Wherever you are watching me from all the corners of the world. Today I am here just to speak a word of prophecy about a series of things that God has been showing me over and over again. So I gave this prophecy a theme, the unfortunate mistake. So to all the church leaders, all the prayer warriors, to all those who hear and see in the spirit, I urge you, let us come together and pray for this nation. You know that before I mentioned about people going in for a fasting every Wednesday for the nation of Zimbabwe. There are some serious things that we need to pray about. In the spirit I saw, it was like 3 people who are occupying certain places, who started to mobilize some things that turned out detrimental. I saw people going onto the streets and facing greater resistance on the country's security forces. I also saw people who tried, I wouldn't mention much, whatever they tried, it spiraled into something that is detrimental, something that can bring the country on its knee, for a period that might go close to 90 days. Flares of fire here, flares of fire there, going on and on. We need to pray. There is a season that is not favorable that is coming. There is a great storm that is brewing. There is a great quaking that is going to be felt. So, pray for the country, God bless you.